Raise your hand if you're one of the people all over the world who decided to buy a MacBook laptop and noticed that you can't get a lot done with only two USB-C ports. Now, raise your hand if you have a solution to actually expand the usefulness of your Mac laptop by finding a way to have all the other ports and inserts and things that you need all in one place. Hey. Hey everybody, what's up? I'm your host Kevin and welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. Please do me a favor out there, if you happen to like this video, give us a like. If you like videos about Good Tech Cheap, why don't you hit that subscribe button? And if you want to know when we drop more episodes of Good Tech Cheap, well, why don't you turn on that notification bell and you'll be notified when we do that. Alright, so what are we talking about today? Well, Cold Open actually gave away the entire premise. I'm one of the people that needed a new Mac laptop, so I bought one. And I really like it. It works great. It is fast. It has more than enough processing power. It has more than enough RAM. It has a terabyte hard drive. I can do all sorts of things. Save for the fact that it has two USB-C ports, because for a period of time, that was deemed the future and more than enough. So we find a solution around that by having something like the iVANKY docking station. That's right, the iVANKY docking station. This is a 12-in-2 multifaceted port that is going to expand the usefulness of your laptop exponentially. So 12 ports from the two. Let's see. There are two HDMI 2.0 ports. There is a USB-C port, so you still get to keep that. There are USB-A ports. There are 4 of those, so that's going to be really useful. It's USB-A 3.0. Whoa. What else? Oh, there's an SD card reader built right in. There's a micro SD card reader also there. What else? There's a 3.5 millimeter audio jack. Great choice there. We all missed it when that got removed from our various devices, didn't we? It's okay to admit that, by the way. Oh, and there's a Gigabit Ethernet connector port. That's a lot you get in one device. And you know what else is really cool about this device? I bought one for my Mac when I realized that it was going to get bottlenecked by only having two USB-C ports. I also noticed that it drained the battery a bit more quickly, which is not very useful. What we're talking about here with iVANKY docking station is something that can be powered and charged separately of your Mac. You can do a dual monitor setup with it. That's right, you can actually connect two monitors using the docking station. And we're talking 4K 60Hz monitors here, so yeah, the power players. Pretend my hands are monitors. It's called using your imagination. And that charging capability that I was just mentioning, oh man, that really is useful. The docking station can actually charge a MacBook Pro up to 96 watts. So that's more than the charger you're going to get with your phone, with many laptops. That's already great. But not only that, you can actually charge another device up to 18 watts at the same time using a USB-C port. It's pretty awesome. Charge two devices at the same time off the docking station, which can also be powered before you connect it to your MacBook, so the whole thing doesn't drain your laptop battery and everything works pretty hunky-dory, if you ask me. And that's not just an album by David Bowie. And you're going to get very fast data transfer. The docking station has been engineered to work with solid-state drives, so you're going to get large files transferred very quickly. And if you have a MacBook Air, no problem there. See what I did? The USB-C cable is actually meant to connect the docking station to your MacBook Air. It'll work the same way, so you have all that versatility on such a tiny, thin little laptop. Your transfer rates and your structure are going to allow you to work and edit in 4K. That is how up-to-date this technology is. So that's quite a bit of versatility, right? It can do so many things, and I have those various cards. I have SD cards, I have micro SD cards, I have headphones that would use the audio jack, I have solid state hard drives, I have other external hard drives. it can take advantage of all of those ports and leave things open for more, so I can still charge my devices like my iPad or my phone. That is quite a bit of versatility, and it all comes in that one little rechargeable package. Very awesome, very useful. To find out more and to get one of your own, click on that link below. $129.99 will get you your own docking station. That's right. Click on the link. You'll see. You'll be glad you did. Oh hey, so you want to see some good tech cheap in action? I'll show you right now. Behold. I have multiple devices connected to it right now using all kinds of different ports. I have my iPad, which is using USB-C. I have my iPhone, which is using USB to Lightning. It's charging, and this is charging. And it's charging my laptop. That's pretty great. I have an SD card plugged into the back, as you can see right here. And if I needed to, there's room for Microsd. There's even an extra USB-C port and 2 USB 5 ports. I already have a hard drive connected to it in the front. The card reader is open right there, so you can see that. And because I have some interview files that I want to listen to, and this is a feature you don't even get on this particular laptop, I have my earphones plugged in. It's not bad. Anyway, I think that about wraps it up for today. Hey, we'd like to thank iVANKY for sponsoring this video. If you liked this video, can you please give it a like? If you like these videos in general, can you please subscribe? And once you subscribe, well, I mean, it kind of just makes sense to turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop more episodes of Good Tech Cheap. I think that about wraps it up for today. From Los Angeles, California, I've been your host, Kevin. Stay safe, be kind, and I'll see you next time.